so weird, it's like Christmas. It's her birthday. Turn around and show your t-shirt. Come closer. It's my birthday. Abby looks like she works at the Animal Kingdom Resort. Whoops. And I told you to have enough red clothes for red ears.
Yeah, true, actually.
True, true. You find it. Emily's breakfast, everyone. God help there. Sugar crash in an hour. There's Emily awake.
Is that going?
Yeah. We're. Oh wait.
I'm gonna try this sherbet swirl Alani.
Go for it. Today we're going to Magic. No. Today we're going to Animal Kingdom, mostly just for Avatar, and to get some of the Avatar snacks.
Could you?
I've got nails as well, you little rat.
What's the weight thing on?
Keepers. And then we're going to a rodeo later today. And I don't know where we're gonna have food.
Oh my good god.
Wait times, let's see.
This is gonna make me bounce off the walls.
Is it energy drink?
I think so. It's
Animal
vegan.
Kingdom, where are
Yeah,
we?
look.
Oh.
Go and try it.
Oh my goodness.
It's good though, isn't it?
That tastes like it's got jet fuel in it or something.
But look at how nice the thing is.
My little ears. Here now.
Sorry. My water.
Oh no.
Muddy music.
Is
I've never
it?
heard it in my life.
She does not know what that is.
I saw this video of him in Linfield, Massachusetts.
That's what he does in one of the videos.
Found him.
Mr. Fantasy.
That video was hilarious.
8 lane.
Okay, we're parked. Got my ears on. And we're in Dinosaur 218. We made it. And like, I've been trying to get this little thing on the camera so I can take it on the rides and I can't get it.
I'll try.
Yeah. It's really raining. Goodness. Never experienced this at Animal Kingdom ever. It's always like blazing heat. Little. It is. It is real. Everest. Yes. My hair is going curly in this rain. Oh my goodness.
Have mountain bandits.
Bandits.
This man's sword is not for decoration.
It's really raining and we're at the front now. No!
Attention, Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety, the main station arms, feet, and legs inside the plane. And please, supervise the journey. Keep moving quickly to Everest.
And I'm gonna film on it. Yeah.
You ready?
Emily! See? I'm just gonna drop the camera if anything. photographer's reaction behind me. I'm holding it with 2 hands, I'm so afraid. Here we go.
No.
Why is the exposure gone funny? Oh, what's going on? Where are we going now? I just said that. I know, it's funny.
Guess they don't live as long as they were.
No. It's taking its time. Okay, anticlimactic. This is horrible, isn't it? Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we're off the rice. Christopher, did you like that?
It was good.
Yeah, good. And he asked Murray as well.
I don't think he likes it at all.
Did you not? Murray, did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, yeah, it was good.
Go backwards.
Oh, yeah, no.
I really liked myself.
We just got a picture at the Tree of Life behind us. It's like it's the back of the tree, so like the other side is really crowded. So opposite the flight, Feathered Friends flight, you can get easy photo pass. And you get the photo pass, you just like tap your contactless card on their machine that they give you. And then all the photos that they take goes straight into your My Disney Experience app, which is really good. And it takes like 5 minutes and you've got the photos. It's really good. It's really, really hot now after it's rained, and now the sun is like drying up the moisture, the humidity, and it's always hot in here anyway. My face just feels like just wet. Yep. Kilimanjaro Safari. It's time for a safari kind of day. We're in the queue and it's massive. On the safari. Finally! Finally! I should have sat right there so I could film. So I could film all of you.
And that means
behind
thank
me.
you. You ever heard a phrase around here called Twin Day? Now that means let's go. Well, Jumbo, everyone. My name's Maddie. I'm gonna be your safari guide out there today in Africa. A few important safety reminders. Please make sure we keep our hands, arms, feet, and legs. Single time, you never know what we're gonna see out there. We might just be getting booty shots today. You never know. 4. I think that's a pretty good number to aim for. Because if we see 5, whew, be amazing. Now, looks like the warden is going to give us clearance to head on in, friends. So, Twin Day, let's head right on in. We're going to start our safari here in the Little Aturi Forest. It's going to be home to the Shire animals, the ones really good at hiding. So keep your eyes peeled. Right off the bat, to the left, at the top of that hill, you're going to see 2 animals. The reddish brown thing with horns is a bongo. And the deer-looking creature is the greater kudu. A solitary species simply means that they like to be alone, which is fine, everyone. We're not gonna judge them because samesies. Left his wife behind to go find those sticks for her to build her nest. The difference between them is gonna be in their eye colors. Males will have brown eyes, while females have these really pretty neon yellow eyes. So next. That means that they nest in up to the 500s, which is a lot of birds. It gives them a nice sense of community. That was my best friend Riley up there. So cute. Anyway, you're also going to see out to this left side in just a second, there's going to be some floating potatoes. There's going to be those Nile hippopotamus. They get their name from the Greek word meaning river horse, and that's because they like to walk or trot along the bottom of the riverbank instead of swimming. Because if any of you have ever tried to swim, it's mighty tiring. So they don't really like to do it. If they didn't, you never want to be really close to a hippo when they're doing that. Do you see? Look, it's floating in the water. Do you see all the poop? I love a good hippo poop. It's so fun. I knew it was backing out of the water, and I was like, it's gonna poop. I knew it. So cool. Hi, cutie patootie. Get up to around 16 feet long, nose to tail. They have this incredible jaw strength that they're going to use to eat and defend themselves. But don't let it fool ya, because they're also excellent parents. Mama Crocs will take her eggs in her mouth and gently roll them around. So it'd be like her own personal mic drop with a baby about 6 feet to the ground. But that's okay, because that drop would quick start their senses, so this baby would be up and running within an hour of being born. Wow. You are a special one, aren't you? Look how cute he is. He's getting so much bigger. Look at him doing the splits. Oh, we upgraded. Beautiful. Maybe not a beautiful shot, but you got a little close shot there of those 2 adults to the left. One's wearing a little hay crown, flapping those ears for us. Now, elephant herds are known to be matriarchal, which is a big fancy word, meaning that they're made up of mostly females, except for any young males that may still.
We're at Pandora. We've been absolutely drenched in the rain. Yep. What? Keep your head on a swivel.
There's this stupid thing.
Oh yeah. That's it. We're going here. Emily, we're about to get Avatar food.
Cheeseburger steamed cold. There they are.
I cannot wait for this. The dessert. Whoops.
Is the whipped cream?
It doesn't, it says it's oat milk. But yeah, I've got to get the cold brew. Emily's getting the sunrise. Right, here's the food. Oh my goodness. Emily's drink.
I'm gonna try it, Molly.
Your head on a swivel.
Is that good?
I got my special.
Oh yeah, they gave her it because of her t-shirt. And I was like, please get one, and then they gave her it for free. Just choking on a crisp. I don't know where to, I do not know where to begin. Try the drink first.
Main event. Cheesy burger.
That tastes like a dancing show. Like,
They're good.
it's boba.
Boba.
You want to try my
Mommy.
coffee?
Everything else is gone.
It's really good. Okay, thumbnail. Are you ready? I'm about to try it as well then. Oh.
Oh my god, do you like that?
You're going to make mince ones at baby on it.
Oh, that is good.
That is seriously good.
Have you tried my drink?
No.
Have you tried yours? Try it first.
Yeah.
Try a bit.
Oh, that's good.
That's strong.
I know. I would want to make really
But
mince and
actual flower leaves.
add in cheese to it.
Yeah, look, it's got like a purple.
Blue
Oh my
noodles.
god. Oh, look at that.
Blue noodles.
Oh my god. Look,
One that smells like
Worm.
soy
Marble worm.
and some tuna. Raw tuna.
raw tuna.
What do you mean raw tuna? It doesn't look good.
That does.
That is seriously good.
The tuna you have is cooked.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Raw tuna's pink.
In the tin, that's cooked.
There is raw tuna
It's
there.
raw.
It's
Yeah,
got
so
these
you're the stupid one.
searing on the outside.
Taste test.
Oh my god, can I please try it?
It's like
Oh, there's a wee jam in the centre.
Black Forest.
Right.
I bet you Mr. Paging Norrell likes that.
Wait, before you eat lots of it, I want to take a picture of you with it. Hey friends, today we are at Animal Kingdom and we are in Pandora. We're gonna try the moose, ride some rides, and have an Animal Kingdom kind of day. Anywho's, let's go do this. Here I go.
Anywho's, let's dive in.
Yeah. It's good. It's like a little cake bit on the bottom, like really thin bit, the grass looking thing. I like that, that's good. Whoops. Is it good? No. Whoa.
It's chocolate.
Yeah. Hoorah! Hoorah! Why is he wearing his hat like that? He looks like... What's his name?
He's a military man.
You look like him from Prison Break there. Teabag. She just finished the cake.
Of course it was left to me.
Can't talk. Processing. Yeah. Okay, we're about to go on Avatar. Flight of Passage. Cannot wait. My clothes are still wet. Like, I felt so cold in there. Eating. Keep your head on a swivel, Christopher. He just got a picture in front of that. That's the guy. Whoa. You just walk in front so I can film.
I mean, it's not just that.
Avatar. It said 90. Hopefully it's less than that.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, it said 90.
Yeah.
Emily's leading the way. Here's Pandora. We have waited in this queue in 2018. It's in the vlogs. Since like way up the hill. It was like a 3-hour wait. I remember Abby nearly fainted right here. Had to give her a granola bar. I know. Whoa.
Take plastic.
Great. I can smell it. That smells so good. Thanks. You don't really get like strip gum like this in the UK anymore, really. There we go. Christopher, they've just put their rubbish. You're gonna want that back when you don't want the gum anymore.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. See. Whoa.
in that same wilderness there was a woman wandering about looking to click a fucking mobile phone.
Oh yeah. Yeah. It's floating. Whoa. Look at the big avatar. Whoa. Oh my god. Just getting a pic. A picture of Drink Silly. Is that who it is? Christopher.
Banshee Rookery coming into sight.
Single rider.
Reveal yourself.
Sorry.
Single rider, reveal yourself.
Hi, everyone's still in the queue.
Nine.
What baby?
I've never been up this stairs in my life.
Please enter all the way into the room and stand on the number you were given. Okay, sealed genetic matching room. Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon. Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a All right, you've all been matched with avatars. Great, you've all made it.
Breathtaking beauty of Pandora, but you might also face some of its greatest challenges. Some of this flight
Here on the back wall, and then get onto the link chair the way we showed you in the video. Then put on your flight visors. And supervise your children.
Smell like the pine.
Para su seguridad, durante toda esta experiencia deberán permanecer sentados, inclinarse hacia adelante agarrando las barras y supervisar.
Whoa. What was that? Christopher, did you like? Yeah. Fully immersed. Let's have a look. Oh my god, Avatar ears. No way. They are so cool. I've never seen these. I've never seen those. Aww. Look at this. That is so cute. Oh, little banshee. That's so cute. Glow in the dark.
Ears with the head bit on it.
Oh my god. Emily, those ears are so cool. They're brand new.
So I put them on?
Yeah. Oh.
Something about the pool and the tail.
Well,
They're
very
so
heavy. Mr. Pigeon.
Oh, that's cool. Emily, that's so cool.
I know, I really like it.
It says Avatar on the back. Wow.
That's a good Pandora t-shirt, Ems.
Oh yeah. Wow.
It's $35.
That's cool. It is
I really
cool.
like it.
Matches your shoes.
Should I get it?
Yeah, just get it.
You think?
Just get it.
Should I get a medium?
I like this. How much is that? 85. Let's see your bag, Em. Pandora bag. Yay. It's starting to rain again as well. Yes. Yeah. It's good, isn't it?
It's like the Oreo ones.
Oh, Pluto. Where's he going? Oh. Oh. Absolutely drenched again. I just fell out of the car, guys.
And her ears fell out too.
And my ears. Milk. Obviously. Ooh, everything bagel.
Cinnamon sugar.
Everything. Might get these. Just come out of Publix and I tried to buy a buzz ball and I got ID'd and I didn't have it on me, so I had to just leave it. How embarrassing. They smell good.
You've got 5 so long.
Good.
Oh, it's really good.
What is it?
It's the flavour.
A half and half iced tea lemonade.
Oh.
This will last me the whole 2 weeks.
I think I've had half and half before. It might be a different flavour. I've just had some of this. Okay, I'm ready for the rodeo. I'm wearing this dress. And I don't have cowboy boots, so I'm wearing my sandals. And I also don't have a cowboy hat, so I can either wear this hat, no, or the new Bass Pro one. Which, yeah, okay, that is giving, she's country. It's raining again. Oh, no. No. Best spray. Up there, they shouted my name.
Oh, Lord. Did they say Mike?
Yeah, they said Holly and Emily. Look. Wait, I'm gonna do something. That is gorgeous. And the sauce is mayonnaise, not ranch, so I can have it.
What's it like?
It's peppery. That chicken is like crispy but soft. Whoa. This here is a drive-through bank. In between my toes. Muddy! Muddy! Come here! We're parked in, it looks like section G. Okay, everyone. Whoa! Yep, that's mud in my toes now. This is a bloody nightmare. Sandals on. Same. Okay. Okay. Right, guys, keep in mind, we left the villa, which is a 40-minute drive, 2.5 hours before the show start time, and we've had to park about a mile away from the venue in a freaking marshland. People have brought their RVs, guys. This is really authentic here. Silver Spurs Arena. Yes. They've closed the doors to do the national anthem.
Snoring by the time we hit the tarmac. All right, take two. Dustin Herman, number 2 man. Number 2 in 2025. How many of y'all want to get him to the 8-second buzzer? Yeah. Really? Only you. Forest fires. Or is that's Smokey the Bear? I might have mixed that up a little bit. I apologize. How are you guys doing up top? I haven't seen you guys all night. You guys think this guy should nod his head, right? You want to see him ride this bull, right? Yeah. How many of you guys think he's taking way too long, right? Yeah, he's. Don't, when you're on 192 right here in Kissimmee, what did you have for lunch, sir? Did you have anything good? Not anything good, okay. You didn't help me out none here, I want you to know that. Not a single bit. You do what? I'm gonna start talking to people back here. Up! That's not prom night, right? The Continental Cowboy Gage Hurst standing there, blew himself a smoke ring and he walks hard as he can. He thought he must be crazy when he opened up the gate. Inside was 1,500 pounds of the heat. The bus came by there, let him down, but the stranger was too quick. He stepped aside, threw his arms around the horse's neck, and he pulled himself on the back of the horse. Said, oh yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
We're waiting to meet Squidward. Thanks. Hi. Hello.